Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm going to show you the new Stampin Trimmer. So here it is, and I literally just unboxed it. I thought about unboxing it with you, but then I thought if it's just going to show a blank white box, which I can show right here, and then I'm going to take it out and spend, 3 minutes trying to get the box open because you know how I am, then I thought I would just go ahead and pull it out, but I literally have not touched it. I pulled it out and I'm going to go over some of it and check it out with you. So I might end up doing a second video going over all the features and what all it does and everything after I've played with it a little bit, but I wanted to show you the new Stampin Trimmer. So of course we can see that there are two blades. The dark blade is probably the cutting blade, and that is correct, and the light blade is the scoring blade. One of the great ways to tell the difference is think of darker color, so a harder, darker like push, a lighter color and a lighter push. So this is the cut, this is the score. So that's kind of how you can base that off of. And it looks like the other awesome thing that I'm loving is that the blades actually go past the line here, so when your cardstock is here, you don't have to worry about taking one of the blades out to be able to get that full range of motion and cut all the way up and down. So that's awesome. There's actually a spot on both the top and the bottom, so you can put your paper in and neither blade are touching your paper in the very beginning. So that's kind of nice because sometimes it might be like right here and you set it down and then it's starting to cut and you're like, no, I don't want it to start cutting in the middle. I want to start cutting at the end. It also looks like this arm comes out. Let's pop that out. So it goes a full 17 inches, which that is awesome. So 17 inches all the way across. I'm pretty sure that's longer than the old one did. Oh my gosh, I am so loving it. So with the other one, there was sort of this like gray spot here where it's like you didn't really know where you were cutting because it was the bump between. But there is actually, so there's this fabulous shiny piece here that has all the numbers, but they actually continued the numbers into the gray right here in that overlap area. So that is so awesome for whenever you're cutting things at like 6 1/4, because you can see here's the 6 and here's the 6 1/2, but 6 1/4 is right on that gray. So that is super, super awesome to be able to do that. It does look like they did it for all of you guys and not for me. So I've noticed that pretty much everybody cuts their paper differently. So I always cut mine. I actually have my paper trimmer on, this is my left-hand side. So I have it on my left-hand side and I cut going this direction and I cut towards myself. And I know so many other people that cut up there, up at the top, away from like, I guess you would call that away from yourself, but they cut like up here, and I guess maybe it's because I'm short that I don't do that, but I might have to start doing that because like all of the numbers are up top there, but I can still do my normal small numbers at the bottom, and this slides in underneath there. So it slides in. There's also nice little grippies on the back side here so that it doesn't slide all over your paper, or I'm sorry, your desk. So it grips really well. I'm assuming that this little thing here is like a handle or like a nail, like you could stick like a nail hole through it, or to hang it. I'm guessing that's what that's for. Like I said, I'm just opening this with all of you. And of course it does have the little handle. It also sticks very well. So like the other one, you had to actually like lock it in place so it didn't fall open. And this one seems to like kind of snap closed every time. So that is super awesome. There's also no runner down the middle that needs to be replaced and or that falls out. So that is super cool. I think there's actually a plastic cover over this that I will possibly take off. I don't know, I might leave it on as long as it can can stay on. But yeah, I'm super excited about this. The little handles here feel really easy to be able to pull on and push. So that's super awesome. But yeah, this is the new Stampin' Trimmer by Stampin' Up, and I can't wait to start using it. And hopefully, which is one of the features that they made sure to work hard on, was that the blades last longer than, like, you know, 5 cuts. So I'm super excited and hope that that is the case. And like I said, I might end up jumping on and doing another video down the road after playing with this a little bit, and let you know of any other awesome features and benefits and tips and tricks with it. So if you're excited about the new Stampin' Trimmer, then let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.